Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can edit your product settings on Redbubble and refreshing the tags for get a better chance making some sales. For the new people, my name is Sad, a full-time marketer. I upload daily videos about how you can make money online which branch in the med business by showing you juicy tips and tricks I personally use, and also I give you some exclusive methods that no one else talking about. So be sure that you smash that red button and don't forget to hit that notification bells to see my newest video. So let's get started. I edit my design settings every 2 months. If the design have no sales yet, I change the tags by new tags, and sometimes I change the title too. So open your Redbubble account, click on Manage Portfolio. After, click here and quick edit. Now you can edit all your designs quickly and easy. For example, I will change the tags of this design. So I open merge item to generate tags, and if you're struggling about finding good tags to use it on branch and demand platforms, I already upload a video about the best free ways to get tags that rank your designs faster, so you can check it in the description after this video. So I will put my keywords on merge item, then I will generate the tags. Now I will copy these tags to Redbubble and paste it here, and you can edit all your designs here at once, especially if they are from the same niche. And also you can edit your design each time you want, like daily or weekly or even monthly. Redbubble don't give the limitation about these settings. So guys, this is the end of this short video. Don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group. You can ask anything there and I will answer as quickly as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next video.